Ugoko ne kwa Kikuyu podcast. Muthenya wa umuthi Rigathi wa Gachagua nĩarĩtie na mũndũ ũgwĩtwo Fred Matiangi nĩarĩtie na ayeri mahuana tarĩ gũcokanĩria maragĩcokanĩria. Kamũira nĩmwĩrĩte ũrĩa Gachagua na Matiangi maugĩte. Hena ũndũ mũndũ ũgwĩtwo Matiangi erirwo atige kũingĩra Jubilee na akĩrwo athondeke kĩama gĩake igetha oke nakĩo thĩinĩ wa United Opposition. Now, after Matiangi failed gwĩka ũguo, David Maraga nĩathondekete kĩama kana okĩte na kĩama gĩake kĩretwo UGM, United Green Movement Party. And from my point of view, Matiangi endelea gũikara kũrĩa Jubilee, endelea kuonekana ta resist United Opposition. Replacement ya Matiangi, Maraga nĩwe kũrehwo thĩinĩ wa United Opposition. Matiangi agakwĩharakisha. I tell you, David Maraga no egũka. Remember, still David Maraga ena history njega mũno. Gũtirĩ ũndũ mũru ũrĩ onekana naguo. Still history yake nĩ njega mũno. And still remember, ũgĩthikĩrĩria agĩthiĩ makĩaria, because we interact with them. Kwĩna mauga Maraga ako sawa, na angĩ makauga Matiangi, na kwĩna mauga Maraga pia ako sawa. So if Maraga goes to United Opposition, now Matiangi will be in a very hot soup, because very soon Matiangi atakureplacewo na Maraga. And the big question is, Nake andũ a Jubilee gũtirĩ mũndũ ũrĩa ũrauga one term akĩoni acio angĩ othe. Fred Matiangi onake akĩaria ndarĩ arauga ũhoro wa one term. Nake, that's why andũ marona aya no red wheelbarrow. If they are serious, magĩrauga one term matikũhũra andũ arĩa me thĩinĩ wa United Opposition. Now guys, Rigathi wa Gachagua nĩarĩtie. Na Rigathi wa Gachagua augĩte ũũ atĩ nĩahotete gũthondeka president erĩ. And of course, yes, remember, president wa mbere nĩ Uhuru. And remember, Gachagua arĩ PA wa Uhuru Kenyatta. So igona yothe ya campaign mwaka wa 2013, mwaka wa 2017, Rigathi wa Gachagua arĩ hau, na thĩinĩ wa mobilization still, he was there, though ndonekanaga thĩinĩ wa public ta Farouk Kibet. Mwaka wa 2022 ayuka agĩkĩra Ruto campaign. So thĩinĩ wa mĩario nĩma athondekete president erĩ. So arauga ena experience ya kũigana. Augĩte ũũ, gĩtĩ kĩa president nĩ gwethwo gĩethagwo, ti gũthiĩ kwarĩria boardroom-inĩ na hoteri-inĩ. Nĩ kumĩra ũgathiĩ kwarĩria andũ ta ũrĩa tuonia United Opposition mũthenya ũmũthĩ nĩ mathiĩte kũrĩa Kajiado, Kalonzo me kũu, Rigathi wa Gachagua e kũu na acio angĩ. Mauga ti kwarĩria hoteri-inĩ, no nginya ũngĩthiĩ ground na warĩrie andũ thĩinĩ wa ground. Rigathi wa Gachagua akĩaria, ladies and gentlemen.
Getting elected as president is about political mobilization. Many people may want to spend a lot of time in hotels and boardrooms discussing theories. I am a very experienced politician who have delivered 2 presidents to this country, and I know how to make a president. There is no president you will make in a boardroom. Presidents are made in the field. Sindio? So sisi ni watu ya mashinani. And you must go and mobilize people and inspire them. And you must have content. People must remember what you say 1 month.
Guys, ucio nĩ Rigathi wa Gachagua. Now on the other hand, mũndũ gwĩtwo Fred Matiangi nake nĩarĩtie. Na Fred Matiangi augĩte ũũ. Ndũ wa mbere augĩte still arĩ thĩinĩ wa United Opposition kũu ndaumĩte. Remember akĩaria mũthenya ũmũthĩ egũthiĩte gũcemania na yuthi, na yuthi acio kũragĩtuĩka nĩ a Jubilee. In my past video ndĩmwĩrire thĩinĩ wa yuthi acio aingĩ matigwĩkĩte nguo cia Jubilee, auga nĩ athiĩ county per county. Na Matiangi acemania na yuthi acio augire still everything wa opposition ati ino kana maundu maria murona ni test iria iho kana ni test mekireirwo monekane kana ni megutoria. Ino video ya Fred Matiangi, ladies and gentlemen, auga atiriri whether utongoria ti raithi no ni test but time will tell. No arauga ayo thiini wa united opposition. Ino video ya Fred Matiangi ndamuna gitwekena muno subscribe thiini wa channel ino ya Kiko Podcast na ngimuria muna mwithikiria video no ya Matiangi mujire atiriri kana mwetekania no ria Fred Matiangi arauga yo Matiangi akeria. Ladies and gentlemen,
on the issue of the opposition, you know, I want to go over this very carefully because, you know, electoral contests and the transition that we are going to as a country is also a leadership moment, which requires a lot of restraint, a lot of maturity, a lot of consultation and inclusion. Building unity and cohesion in a political framework takes time. It's not an easy matter. I've said in other environments before that our patience will be tested. Our perseverance will be tested. Our sense of patriotism will be tested. But we must overcome those temptations and work together because the people of Kenya expect that their leaders will work together. So I don't want to go into, because the infrastructure we have in the opposition is already actually laid out. We have two conveners of the team, Honorable Martha Karua and Honorable Kalonzo Musyoka. We have an official spokesperson who heads the secretaries now, the Honorable Dr. Muhisa Kitui. And then the other structures that already have been set up, the Honorable Kipruto Kirwa heads the Coalition Building Committee, and he has drawn in a lot of, you know, other people and leaders from other walks of life. It's an institution, so we have to act in an institutionalized manner. So one thing I will not do, to be frank with you, is I cannot speak on the sidelines of that infrastructure when I do not have the authority of the conveners or the authority of the spokesperson to address certain matters. And these leaders, at the right time, will address these issues. But everyone knows this, and I pointed this out. This is a journey that we are walking, and this is what will test our political maturity. It will test our leadership skills, our sense of inclusion, and our patience. And for us used here to include people like myself who are interested in national leadership, I'm willing to be as patient as time and the Lord will allow, and stay the course to work with the people of Kenya and make my contribution and be a leader. So I wouldn't jump at things or make conclusions or speak about this or that. The arguments you see are actually good if you look at them from a positive point of view. Just imagine we were in a country where the thinking of one person rules the day and is the way everyone goes. Fortunately, and thank God, we chose democracy, you know, and because we are a democratic environment, no leader can choose a party for another leader. And no leader can choose a leader for the people of Kenya. So it's a democratic process that is going on. It will get us time to get there, all of us, but we will get there. I mean, have no fear at all. I have faith, I'm confident we will get there. And we will deal with this with the requisite maturity, the requisite discipline, sense of restraint, and respect for each other's opinions, because that is the only way we are going to build Kenya.